What happened today is at Xiaojiang wrong. Working and earning money is what you should do. What's more, you're making hard money. I've educated him. Qi Haozhang will take over the group in the future. You hate him. You didn't give face to the Jiang family.
Mr. Jiang, I'll take this alone. Please let me release my coworker. This thing,
Xiaojiang also has responsibility. You've been punished too. That's a complete story.
Thank you, Mr. Jiang.
But Xiaoxuan, I have something to bother you. Zhao Jiang encountered some trouble. Need you help him.
I ran into someone on the way back just now. That person's life is quite tough. I went back and pressed him again. Stimulate! I have a video.
You beast! As long as you stay in there for a few years, I will keep your wife and children safe and secure.
You say it again. I did it all. I was driving drunk and hit someone.
The Jiang family has already made the whole city chaotic. You help them commit crimes.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm from the head.
You regret it.
Officer.
Come back.
Xiaozhen, see what I bought?
It's a big meat bun. Why buy so? How many can I eat?
Happened lately. You've lost weight again. You eat too.
Yes, Dad. I'll eat meat every day in the future.
From now on, that makes more money. Is it good to buy you a lot of succulent buns?
Don't run!
$9,520. 8. Someone visit the prison.
Me again. Don't be surprised. I'll come to see you specifically. After all, you helped me a lot. It seems that my people have taken good care of you. I saw you not doing well. I'll feel at ease. By the way, your wife is beautiful. You bastard! I will take good care of your wife.
You bastard!
Your wife is beautiful. I'll take good care of her for you.
Let's talk.
Let's go to my house.
My bed is big and soft.
Just like you. Will you drive? I'll kill you.
Explain.
What I said.
Say or not.
I'll ask you again last. You said or not said?
What did I say? I didn't touch your wife. Look at the scars on my face. Don't want. Look at the scar on my face. I swear to God, this is what he did. Chuang. Don't kill me. Brother Chuang. I really didn't touch your wife. Brother Chuan doesn't believe it. Please see.
I'll spare you this time. But you tell me all the crimes you have committed.
I said,
I was drunk and hit someone. You've been jailed for me.
It turns out that your Jiang family has committed so many evil deeds.
No.
Dare to touch my family again. This is your grave.
very safe.
I've looked for you so many times. You won't see me. Why did you take the initiative to see me this time?
Do you have clues about my wife and children?
You remember now that you have a wife and children. When you were in charge of Jiangyu, have you ever thought about them?
I can't do anything either. If I don't do, they won't let me go. Including my wife and children. And those workers.
The Jiang family let them go. 5 years ago, I sent Lin Na to Peicheng. Later lost.
Peicheng.
Zhuang, I know your concerns. I'm waiting for you.
Sir. My phone was taken away by Chuan Hongli. Mobilize the whole city. Must find Chuan Li.
Kill without mercy!